Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 1. I'm joined by the best chairman. Okay, so let me introduce Kapati himself. I'm Tawaz.
Sila siyashapa siqala lapha mamela ke njayami Sithibo awuthiyami ngizocala ngokubongela imagesi leza intwana edlala ibhola eliclean yabona makuyimagesi kube lezi ezasepulukwane lezi ezikhotshwa uThinkla bese kuba ibhakaniya leza intwana ngiyazibona ziza kahle awuthiyami la ifike khona imagesi abaningi abafikanga khumbula ukuthi amaRwandeni asephefeni ayaphelela endleleni abomkoko basePitori bayabaphelela endleleni bese kusela amabest manje awuthiyami mina Sithibo ngokutshela masifika yi-first time ngathi mina ngizoza nje ngokuthi ngikhrunte Black Label ngihamba nayo dot final awuthiyami namanje ngilinda ukuthi abakusasa abadlale banginike omunye noma imuphi ngemnandi Sithibo awuthiyami mina ngakutshela ngathi la ngizohlala ngokutshela big institution awuthiyami ayekho endlula la university football awuthiyami yabona Sithibo khona into ongeke uzuyibona yabona mfana mangabe unama player a talented ngeke umbone ucoach wakho ukuthi u talented wabona uwadi ufana is very talented la uthi khona ukread game la uthi khona 11 yakhe ayifakayo Sithibo uqeda abantu ngayo umbheke ukuthi each and every second half ubuya nama player kanjani awuthiyami ngakutshela wonke ama player ethuma wefika ukuthi wanike ichance azojela kule ya 12 esithengile awuthiyami alikho isaka lapha yana alikho ivovo lapha yana awuthiyami siphethe abantu lapha yana uyambona umbuthume uyayiprove ukuthi ubuyile unganasesu uyambona umremi uyambona mfethu ubona ngibalela 11 yonke nama reserve nalabo abahlele itendeni awuthiyami ngiyazi ukuthi bamnandi la ikhaya sizokugelezisa ibhola Sithibo namhlanje nje besizobonisa imagesi ukuthi magesi nina niyazi ukuthi ayindaba zasishanga nyenkwayindane leziyani mara siyibonile this time first half ayizashanga nyenkwayindane zange sibone zasikhopha mara manje awuthiyami sibuyile sazi ukuthi kumele sizobuyisa into yethu sazi ukuthi senze kanjani awuthiyami la bebabhizi phela namhlanje Sithibo uyazi ukuthi besidlala against the whole country Vandag the whole country was against us awuthiyami but thina njengamabhakane awuthiyami sithi sizoyincenga kancane kancane sizophumelela awuthiyami sekusele kancane abeza abanye babalethe ku Black Label nalaba esabaniki netbank yethu batshele bayipolish sayilanda hayi angina lena le yibo bayazi bayithatha kanjani come back ayibuye ka la bebaloku bathatha iligi sengikhona chairman ukhona nina uzoshintsha ibhele kanje ngiyabuya uzobagwaza njayami kanjani Sithibo nawe uthiyami mnandi awuthiyami ithi igama jidi aphushe ngiyabona nibaningi yabona nemvula iyeza uthiyami mina ngizoringa kahle ePitori
okay akunaphlo
nakanjani
chairman thank you chairman